Imagine waking up one morning and seeing this headline everywhere. A massive asteroid is heading toward Earth. Not a movie, not science fiction, real life. It sounds terrifying, but here's the truth. Scientists are already tracking thousands of objects like this. So what exactly are asteroids? Asteroids are rocky objects left over from the formation of our solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. Most of them orbit the Sun in a region between Mars and Jupiter called the asteroid belt. But sometimes gravitational forces push some of these rocks out of their path, sending them closer to Earth. These are called near-Earth objects, and every year thousands of them pass relatively close to our planet. Now, most of these objects are small and burn up in Earth's atmosphere before they reach the ground, but not all of them. Around 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck Earth and caused the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. This impact wiped out nearly 75% of all species, including the dinosaurs. So yes, asteroid impacts are rare, but when they happen, they can completely change life on Earth. The good news is, today we are not in the dark anymore. Organizations like NASA constantly monitor the sky using powerful telescopes and radar systems. They track the size, speed, and path of near-Earth objects to predict whether any of them could pose a threat. In fact, scientists have already identified thousands of potentially hazardous asteroids, but none of them are expected to hit Earth anytime soon. But what if we do find one heading straight toward us? Can we actually stop it? In 2022, NASA tested a groundbreaking mission called the DART mission. They sent a spacecraft crashing into an asteroid at high speed and successfully changed its orbit. This proved something incredible. We now have the technology to deflect an asteroid if we detect it early enough. So should we be worried? Right now, no. Scientists are watching the skies every single day. But the universe is vast and unpredictable. And somewhere out there, there could be an asteroid we haven't discovered yet.